Hi friends, welcome to Leela's channel. In this video, we are going to see about adverbs for the class 4 in English grammar, chapter 19. Read these sentences. The king replied angrily. Rama goes to school daily. The clown looked up. In sentence 1, the word angrily is added to the verb replied to tell how the king replied. The king replied. How he replied? Angrily. In sentence, the word daily is added to the verb goes to tell when Rama goes to school. Rama goes to school. When he goes to school, daily he goes to school. In sentence 3, the word up is added to the verb looked to tell where the clown looked. Where the clown looked? The clown looked up. Each of these words which adds something to the meaning of a verb is called an adverb. இன்னும் ஈஸியாக சொல்லணும்னா அட்வர்ப்ன்றது வேர்போடு கூட சேர்த்து ஒரு விட்டு போடுறதுங்கிறது அதை இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் சிறப்புப்படுத்தி மேன்மைப்படுத்தி கூறுவது. Underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write the verb with which each is used. We must eat our food. How? Slowly. So the adverb is used with the verb eat. Underline the adverb in the following sentence. Write the verb nu கேட்டிருக்காங்க இல்லையா. So adverb underline பண்ணியாச்சு, verb எடுத்து எழுதியாச்சு. We have underlined the adverb and we had written this verb in the space given. The woman spoke loudly. Loudly is adverb, spoke is verb. You have done your lesson well. Well adverb, done verb. The horse galloped fast. Fast adverb, galloped verb. The play will begin now. Begin is verb, now is adverb. My uncle lives here. Lives is verb and here is adverb. Gopal is standing there. There adverb, standing verb. We should always speak the truth. Speak verb, truth is adverb. Types of adverbs. Adverbs of manner answers the question how. Adverbs of place answer the question where. Adverb of time answer the question when. Adverb of frequency answer the question how often. Adverb of degree answer the question how much. How often na எப்பெல்லாம் அடிக்கடி நடக்குதா அப்படின்னு. How much na எவ்வளவு. When na எப்பொழுது. Where na எங்கே. How நாக்கா எப்படி. So adverb of manner answer the question how. Adverb of place answer the question where. Adverb of time answer the question when. Adverb of frequency answer the question how often. Adverb of degree answer the question how much. An adverb of manner tells us how something is done or happens. Most adverb of manner end in ly. Definition. Adverbs which show the manner in which some action is done is called adverbs of manner. He writes badly. How he writes? He writes badly. He spends his money foolishly. How he spends? Foolishly. He hit the ball hard. How he hit? Hard. In the following sentence, underline each word that adds something to the meaning of the verb and answers the question how. Eat slowly. Varun runs swiftly. The child cries loudly. The team plays well. How he eats slowly. How he runs swiftly. How the child cries loudly. How the team plays well. The sun shines brightly. The soldiers fight bravely. The horse gallops fast. The servant works willingly. Sana writes neatly. Frame hits hard. The boy dresses neatly. She speaks pleasantly. The child sleeps soundly. Adverb of time. See the table and note the word in italics. Hari will return. Hari will return today. He is going to Varanasi. He is going to Varanasi shortly. I shall get a letter. I shall get a letter tomorrow. Definition. An adverb of time tells us when something is done or happens. When will Harry return? Today. The word today tells when Harry will return. It thus adds something to the meaning of the verb. When is he going to Varanasi? When will I get a letter? In the following sentences, underline each word that adds something to the meaning of the verb and answers the question when. Frame. rises early, when he rises early. I go to school daily, when daily. The two brothers often fight, often. Come soon, the play will begin now. I shall come afterwards. I am late today. The servant is paid monthly. Lately, he has become lazy. He arrived yesterday. Once I heard the cuckoo sing. They lived in Mumbai formerly. Abdul was doing his sums then. See the table below and note the words in italics. Rain falls everywhere. Where the rain falls everywhere. So it is adverb of place. Rain falls. Rain falls everywhere. I am going. The kite went up. Where does the rain fall? Everywhere. The word everywhere tells where the rain falls. It thus adds something to the meaning of the verb. Where did the kite go up? Where did the kite go up? In the following sentences, underline each word that adds something to the meaning of the verb and answers the question where. An adverb of place tells us where something is done or happens. The peon is standing there. We sat inside. The sky is above. He looked up. The boy is standing outside. My uncle lives here. The earth is below. Do not go far. The servant has gone upstairs. Mother is coming downstairs. An adverb of frequency tells us how often something is done or happens. So, adverb of frequency tells how often something is done or happens. Frequency 100% means it is always. 90% means usually. 70% means often. 50% means sometimes. 10% means hardly, ever or rarely. 0% never. Example, 100% you are always late. 90% means we usually go to the cinema on Sunday. 70% he often cooks pasta. We sometimes order pizza for dinner. Hardly ever, rarely means she hardly ever smiles. Never, they are never at home when we call. Then adverb of degree. Compare the following. The cricket ground is hot. The cricket ground is very hot. He speaks loudly. He speaks too loudly. The cup is full. The cup is nearly full. How hot is the cricket ground? Very hot. The word very tells how hot the cricket ground. We see that the word very adds something to the meaning of the adjective hot. How loudly does he speak? Too loudly. The word too tells how loudly he speaks. We see that the word too adds something to the meaning of the adverb loudly. How full is the cup? Nearly full. The word nearly tells how much full the cup is. We see that the word nearly adds something to the meaning of the adjective full. In the following sentences, underline each word that adds something to the meaning of an adjective or adverb. The children are very happy. You are quite right. He is slightly better. The old man is nearly blind. You walk too fast. Don't eat too much. She sings pretty well. Those mangoes are almost ripe. He is entirely wrong. He is rather afraid to speak. He is much better today. Do not walk so fast. This watch is rather expensive. I have exercised enough for the day. A word that adds something to the meaning of an adjective or adverb is called an adverb. We have now learnt that an adverb adds something to the meaning of a verb. Sometimes also an adverb adds something to the meaning of an adjective or another adverb. Fill in the blanks with suitable adverbs. The moon is shining bright. The man works hard. It is raining heavily. I hurt my knee severely. Must obey your teacher. Come in, don't wait outside. Our soldiers fought bravely. The snake was badly dead with cold. The little lamb followed Mary everywhere. Don't put your fingers into your mouth. The sum is very easy. Don't speak very loudly. He hardly tries to do his best. The horse can gallop fast. So, with this, the lesson for the class 4 adverb is over. If you like this video, please like and share this video with your friends. Please subscribe this channel. Those who are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. And thanks to everyone, those who had subscribed this channel. Keep watching Leela Kids channel and let us meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.